So if you want to find the PayPal payment option for the customers from India, so today in this video, I'll show a step-by-step guide how you can do it very easily. Before starting the video, if you are new here in this channel, then please do subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. So let's begin. For this, I am using this PayFront application from Shopify App Store. You can easily download it from here. I am also giving the link of the application in the description. So after installing that, go here, create payment rule, then give a title like hide PayPal for customers in India. Then add a new condition. Select the condition, country, operator in the list, and here put the code of the India IN. Then add the action. Select the action, hide payment method. Then type the payment method name here, PayPal. Now active the status and save this. So if someone want to purchase the product in India, then the PayPal payment option will unavailable for them. So let's check it on the online store. If I select any product and click on buy it now, if I put the country India and select the default address here, then you can see in the payment method, in the payment option, there is no PayPal. So if I change the country from India to another country like Australia, let's put a random address. Then you can see here is the PayPal option is available. So in this way, you can do it very easily. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. If you have any question in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.